Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of tax software with the highly regarded H&R Block Deluxe 2023. Known for its reliable and user-friendly service, H&R Block continues to deliver top-notch tax preparation solutions. In this review, we'll explore the key features and updates of the H&R Block Deluxe 2023 to help you determine if it's the right tax software for you. The H&R Block Deluxe 2023 service is designed for tax year 2022 and offers several useful updates. One of its standout features is its clear guidance on complex tax topics, including cryptocurrency. The colorful and visually appealing interface makes tax preparation feel less overwhelming, while the efficient design ensures a smooth user experience. H&R Block's ability to break down tax jargon in a digestible way is commendable, making it accessible for all users. However, it's important to note that H&R Block still lacks a seamless all-virtual option for handling your taxes with a tax professional from start to finish. Let's delve into the details. H&R Block's federal online tax service consists of 4 tiers, each offering additional features and form support. The free tier even includes unemployment income, which is uncommon among its competitors. These tiers offer enhanced features such as support for real estate taxes, self-employed income, investments including cryptocurrency, and Schedule C deductions. H&R Block also offers specialized products for small businesses, expat U.S. citizens, and those who prefer locally stored data. H&R Block has made it easier than ever to access tax expert help with its Online Assist product line. Starting at $70 for the basic version, Online Assist offers unlimited screen share, on-demand chat, and video assistance with tax professionals. You can either begin with Online Assist or upgrade to it within the product. Alternatively, if you prefer a fully virtual experience, H&R Block offers a Tax Pro service that combines virtual communication with the option to visit a local office. However, pricing for the Tax Pro service is not transparent upfront and depends on your specific tax situation. H&R Block's online interface is visually engaging and user-friendly. The responsive design ensures a seamless experience across devices, including mobile. The help content has been enhanced with blog posts and videos that make learning about tax topics more approachable. The help pane provides context-sensitive guidance and explanations, minimizing confusion and making tax preparation a pleasure. When it comes to data entry, H&R Block offers streamlined processes that are more efficient than many of its competitors. The Income Hub has been visually updated to accommodate trends like self-employment, multiple W-2 forms, and cryptocurrency gains. Adding income information is straightforward, whether you choose to input it manually or upload PDFs or photos. The service prompts you to provide relevant details as you progress through the questionnaires. H&R Block Deluxe 2023 offers a cohesive design, helpful guidance, and more affordable Tax Pro assistance. However, if you're seeking a full-service digital experience with extensive Tax Pro assistance, TurboTax Deluxe might be a better option, albeit at a higher cost. For most users, H&R Block Deluxe provides a refined and user-friendly interface that simplifies tax preparation at all levels. That concludes our review of the H&R Block Deluxe 2023 tax software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. Stay tuned for future videos where we explore the latest products and services across various categories. This is your host signing off from Product Critique. See you next time.